Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering materials: 3 matching buttons, 18 inches of thread, and a size 5 needle. Choose a thread color that matches the fabric within 1 shade difference. Cut 18 inches of thread and thread the needle with a double knot for secure stitching. Work on a flat surface with good light and lay the shirt flat. Position the buttons to match original spacing and alignment before you begin sewing each button. Position the button over its mark and push the needle through the fabric from back to front. Pass the needle through the first hole and then through the opposite hole, making 6 straight stitches through the buttonholes and fabric to secure the button firmly. After the stitches, leave a small gap and wrap the thread 4 times around the threads under the button to form a shank. Pull tight and pass the needle to the shirt backside to finish the knot. On the shirt backside, tie 2 square knots close to the fabric to secure the stitches. Trim the thread to about 1/8 inch after the knots are snug against the fabric to prevent unraveling. Inspect the button alignment across all 3 buttons and make sure spacing matches the originals. Test buttoning the shirt through all buttonholes to confirm smooth operation. If a button feels loose, repeat the stitching with 2 additional passes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.